So I was one of the earlier artists to sign and sort of register with IPRS, and that time मुझे उसकी ना value नहीं पता थी उतनी. I was like, okay, this is something which is there, but I'm extremely thankful to my then manager Manish Sawant from HMV, जो अब सारेगामा कहलाता है. That time I was signed with HMV. So he said, since you're not just a singer, you're a creator. You compose music, you write lyrics, you perform. So this is going to be a boon for you. So I said, ठीक है, this is 15, 18 years back. And little did I know that it is such a blessing, such a boon where I don't need to worry about my royalties. They just come to me automatically into my account. पहले तो checks आते थे, of course. और जब way back in 2012 जब Amendment Act हुआ and Javed Saab led it, as a warrior for all us composers and lyric writers. और उन्होंने फिर एक सेरेमनी हुई, हिस्टोरिक डे था जहाँ पे उन्होंने चेक सबको, ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द चेक्स विच वर owed to all the creators. So that's when we said, okay, we took this very seriously and said, okay, this is going to happen. This has happened. It's a revolution. And it is, I would say, I won't say it's a passive source of income. It's an active source of income. You create a song, you create music, and you are not, you're paid royalties for it. And due diligence, like it is, due royalties. Each time your song plays on radio, in a show somewhere, a DJ plays it, whether it's in India or it's in Dubai or London or America, you get your dues. You get your money for it, which is a fantastic way to reward you, because you have created something which is being wowed by people. People, like for example, my song Sajna Abhija, which is not just my song, I've not just sung it, but I have also composed the song. So till date, I'm getting the royalty checks for it. Even if whether I perform the song or not, if somebody else performs it, I get the royalty for it. So this is the beauty of organizations like IPRS, which safeguard you, shelter you, protect you, nurture your work, and of course, give you your credit, ownership. And as a topic of today is, the ownership. You own it, and that is the most satisfying thing.
You spoke about Sajna Abhija, that was your breakout, that is how you are still known by so many people. Do you think it's like a double-edged sword that mostly people know you for that? There is also Zinda Wala Gana, which is...
And Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat and many others.
But that song is really stuck with you and people are still associated that song with you. How is it like? Do you feel like, that people also need to venture out into your other works?
Yes, sometimes I feel, people compare me to my best hit song, which is Sajna Abhija, and they always say, "Ek Sajna Abhija jaisa hi gana bana do." But that's not it's not fair. I like to reinvent and I like to recreate and give people a variety of songs. I'm capable of doing other kinds of music and songs as well. Recently, I did songs like Mojito and Tequila and a very sad song called Heer Hai Roi, which I did in collaboration with Meet Brothers. But again, the moment I start singing Sajna, everybody forgets all the other songs, and there is something about it. It's I think every song comes with its own magic, because in creativity you never know. It's subjective. People suddenly take to something more than something else. So, but yes, this song, which has seen me through popularity of over 20 years now, and yeah, it's something which every day on my Instagram I see people making reels on this song, people making covers and dedicating the song to me and all of that. So that's fantastic. It's a huge blessing. But yes, I tell people कि और भी बहुत अच्छे गाने हैं, और भी सुनो मेरे songs. Yeah.
और क्या कर रही हैं आगे, क्या सुनने को मिलेगा आपसे?
So I did 25 recreations for Saregama in the year 2024, which is real fun because मैंने अपना ही तड़का दिया उन songs को. So please find my songs Saregama on Saregama by Shibani Kashyap in a very interesting way. And of course we shot the songs in a studio-based format kind of a thing, very unplugged and very musicianship kind of a format. So I was very excited about that. I did a collaboration with Ricky Cage for a peace anthem. Right now, as I said, I'm very excited because I've done a web series called Back to Basics with Swami Ramdev, and that's going to be releasing on the 6th of May on all digital platforms and Sony Pictures as well. So I'm looking forward to that because that's going to be my first but it's of course non-fiction and talks about wellness and fitness, which is my other passion after music.